Have you ever wondered how to buy stocks like multi-millionaires, like people who's really getting money? In this video, guys, I'm gonna break down the stock history and what are stocks so you can buy them. Click the link down below. Let's go. So guys, this is the overview of the stock market. The stock market is a crucial component of global financial system. It provides the platform of buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. This presentation will explore the definition of the stock market, its structure, and its functionality. Participants involved in these type of investments, the affecting market risk, rewards of investing, and the importance of the stock market indexes that benchmarks. So this is the structure and the functionality of the stock market. Because you guys, you got to understand that every system has a structure and every system has a functionality, but you got to know how to work it and what it really does. So you not only can play the game, because it's really like the long-term lottery. A lot of people might invest in numbers, scratch-offs. I've bought scratch-offs in the past, but I learned that scratch-offs, they end when you scratch it off. When you go to the gas station and you buy scratch-off, you don't get far with that unless you just hit it big. But with this, when you invest, it's different. So the stock market is comprised of exchanges where securities such as stocks and bonds are traded. Remember, stocks and bonds are pieces of a company, guys. These exchanges facilitate the buying and selling of shares between investors. Me and you, we're their investors. So the two main types of exchanges are physical exchanges, where trading occurs on a physical trading floor, and electronic exchanges, where the trading is conducted electronically. The stock market provides liquidity, price discovery, and a platform for companies to raise capitals through insurance. Click the link below to get your Webull stocks. That is a trading platform for the stock market. Also, you can do it on Cash App if you check out one of my videos below. So let's keep going. Participants in the stock market. Stock market involves various participants, including investors, individuals, or institutions that buy and sell securities in the market. So you are an individual. I am an individual. I can buy Nike. I can buy a pizza Walmart. You have access to this as long as you're a United States civilian or citizen. Brokers, intermediaries who execute trades on behalf of investors. So I would say brokers like the S&P 500 and guys like that, you can actually buy, and that when you buy, you're really buying from them, and they will help your money grow faster and longer. So the stock exchanges, platforms where securities are listed and traded. Cash App has a stock exchange. Guess what? Webull, down below. Click the link down below to get your free Webull account. That has a stock exchange, and you get 3 free stocks when you get it. I'm not really sure, but you get 3 or 5 free stocks when you sign up to Webull as well, within the link down below. The stock exchanges, you got Webull, you got Cash App, you got Robinhood, you got Fidelity. I have all these platforms, guys, and I'm a young black man, but I'm here telling you guys the information as well. So I want you guys to use it. Regulatories, entities that oversee and regulate the functioning of a stock market, and companies, entities that issue the stocks and bonds to raise capital, guys. Walmart needs to raise capital. Amazon needs to raise capital, and they do it through the stock market, publicly traded. Types of stock market investments. Investors can choose from various types of stocks or investments in the stock market, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange traded funds. Those are ETFs. So we're going to start with the stocks. Are shares of an ownership in company representing the claim on its assets and earnings. Guys, I'm going to be a series. This is just episode 1. So bonds, debt securities issued by companies or governments representing the loan of the issuer. Guys, you gotta understand, those bonds are long-term investments. Mutual funds, pools of money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Guys, you gotta realize that all this access to this money is available to you. So it's no reason why you should not be using it. Exchange traded funds, ETFs, investment funds traded on the stock exchange, mirroring the performance of specific index sectors. So an ETF, let's think about it. An ETF is like a bundle of different companies. So one ETF that I use is the S&P 500, and they have a lot of different companies inside them. They have 500 of the best companies. They got Apple, Google, Meta. They got AI tech companies all in there. So guys, it is important to get ETFs. So let's go to the next one. So realize that when you're investing, you're going to come across a couple factors that you need to consider when you're really thinking about investing your money. It's the same way when you need to think about when you're going to corner store and you're going to go buy scratch offs or any of that, or you put money into a new business that you're thinking about. There's factors. So several factors that influence the stock market, including the economic indicators, company performance, interest rates, geopolitical events. Wow. Right now guess what we got going on? The presidential election. Kamala versus Donald Trump. Hey, I think that's political. So economic indicators, factors such as the GDP, employment data, and inflation rates impact market segments. Guys, as you know, inflation affects everybody. So of course it's going to infect. Inflation's going to infect the stock market as well. So if you think about that, does inflation actually affect scratch offs? We don't know. Maybe whoever makes the scratch offs. So company performance, earnings reports, revenue growth, and other financial metrics influence stock prices. Interest rates. Changes in the interest rates can affect borrowing costs and investments decisions. Bro, interest rates will have you not even trying to invest in your future, guys. Trust me, I understand. But this is to get you guys to understand and when rates are going to go down and money's going to go up, invest your money. Geopolitical events, political instability, trade disputes, and global events can impact the market via volatility. It's called volatility. So it can impact all that. What you guys got to understand is you got to get vetted in this. Understand that decisions affect the stock market just as well as it affects prices at the grocery. But regardless or not, your money's going to grow. We might have another president. We might have a female president. We might have Kamala. We might have Donald Trump. We have somebody else 10 years from now. Guess what? Stock market's still going to be here. Guess what? Because companies are going to still be here. So you got to start investing now. Long term is the game, guys. Long term. So risk and rewards of investing in the stock market, guys. Investing in the stock market offers both risk and rewards. Some key points are to consider: the rewards, potential and capital appreciation, dividend income, and long-term wealth accumulation. We're going to get all into that in the other episodes. But guys, people are living off of dividends. It's possible. And I'll show you a lot of people who are. Risk, market volatility, potential losses, and the need for careful research and analysis. Guys, that's what I come in for. And to teach you guys the analysis of what's really going on. I got a lot of other people that do it too, but I'm glad you guys come to my channel to actually realize and learn these things. Diversification, spreading investment across different sectors and assets can mitigate risk. Say if you got a business, like me, I have a business. I run trucks. I've done landscaping in the past, but at the same time, I was investing in the stock market. So what that means is, as I was investing, I was also diversifying my portfolio. And I'm yet to get real estate, but that's another way to diversify here. Some people get Toro, some people get other little small businesses. But it's very important to diversify your portfolio, because if you don't, well, you're just only relying on stocks, you can really mess yourself up. The time horizon. Investing in long term can help navigate short-term market fluctuations. Guys, the long term always wins. If you want these quick wins, guys, you're going to be messed up. You want to invest long term, like the S&P 500. Stock market indexes and benchmarks. So realize stock market indexes and benchmarks provide a snapshot of the overall market or a specific sector. Examples include, like I told you guys, the S&P 500. widely followed index, 500 of the largest companies in America. The NASDAQ Composite tracks the performance of 3,000 companies listed on the NASDAQ exchange. The Dow Jones, I know y'all guys have seen this sometimes, Dow Jones Industrial Average, comprised of 30 large publicly traded companies representing various sectors. The index serves as a benchmark to evaluate the performance of the investment portfolios and provides the insights into market trends. Guys, this is so important. You follow the S&P 500 regardless if you just invest in the S&P 500 over time, which we're talking about long term. Just even if you do it once a month, you're going to beat the market regardless. So that's something you guys got to understand. So guys, I'm glad you guys made it here with me. I want you guys to really look at my compilation of the other how to invest right here. But in conclusion, the stock market serves as a vital platform for buying, selling securities. Understand the structure, participants, types of investments, factors, influence, market risk, and rewards. And the roles of index is crucial for investors. By analyzing market dynamics and making informed decisions, investors can navigate the stock market and potentially achieve their financial goals. Guys, if you got any value out of this, like, comment, subscribe, hit the next video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.